Hi, today we're going to go over the Carioca. This is a dance type move which involves rotating your body and shifting your arms left and right. So the easiest part of the movement is just putting your arms left and right, okay? The trickiest part is when you have to twist your body. So if we go to the left with our arms, our body has to rotate to the right, and we do a slight shuffle. And then once we switch our arms to the right, we have to twist our body to the left and do the shuffle as well. What is confusing is when we move laterally that we have to walk forwards and backwards. Okay, so I'll demonstrate this slowly. Break this down as simple as possible, okay? So begin by shifting your arms to the left and try to twist your body to the right as much as you can, and we'll just do a slight shuffle. So let's say 3 steps, so 1, 2, 3, okay? Then we're going to shift arms to the right, shift to the left, and we're going to go 1, 2, 3, okay? Then we're going to shift again, so left arm, right to the right with the legs, then shuffle, 1, 2, 3. Then switch to left arm, right arm, right arms to the right, and legs to the left, shuffle 1, 2, 3, and then switch it again, so arms to the left and legs to the right and shuffle 1, 2, 3. Let's do this at medium pace. Okay, so I'm going to do this at medium pace and just count steps, okay? So we'll go 1, 2, 3 with each step. Okay, so left arm, arms to the left, feet to the right. So we'll go 1, 2, 3, shift, 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 1, 2, 3. Slowly. Okay, so we'll start off with the left position. So you have to shuffle to the right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Let's get a few close-ups of this so you can actually see what's going on. Did I go past? And that's how you do Carioca. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.